SIDBI was set up as a subsidiary of, your options are option A IDBI, option B IFCI, option C ICICI, option D SFC. Right answer is first one A, that is IDBI. Question number 53. The initial authorized capital of SIDBI is, your options are option A rupees 350 crores, option B rupees 450 crores, option C rupees 250 crores, option D rupees 150 crores. So here right answer is option C, that is rupees 250 crores. Question number 54. Which of the following is a function of SIDBI? Your options are option A extension of seed capital, option B discounting of bills, option C providing factoring services, option D all of the above. So here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 55. Financial resource of SFCs consist of, your options are option A paid up capital, option B reserve funds, option C borrowing from RBI, option D all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 56. SFC's assistance to technically qualified people without enough funds is known as, your options are option A seed capital scheme, option B capital assistance scheme, option C technical entrepreneurs schemes, option D investment scheme. So right answer is option A seed capital scheme. Question number 57. SFC Act was amended in the year, your options are option A 1970, option B 1971, option C 1972, option D 1973. So right answer is option C, that is 1972. Question number 58. SFC is prohibited from granting financial assistance to any company whose aggregate paid up capital exceed. Your options are option A 1 crore, option B 1.5 crores, option C 2 crores, option D 2.5 crores. So right answer is option A, that is 1 crore. Question number 59. The loans given by SFCs are usually for a period up to, your options are option A 8 or 10 years, option B 10 or 12 years, option C 12 or 14 years, option D 12, option D 14 or 16 years. Your here right answer is option B, that is 10 or 12 years. Question number 60. A concessional rate of interest is charged by SFC in case of, your options are small scale industries, option B unit in backward areas, option C unit set up by technical entrepreneurs, option D all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 61. SIDC stands for, your options are State Industrial Development Corporation, option B Small Industries Development Corporation, option C State Institutional Development Corporation, option D Small Institutional Development Corporation. Here the right answer is option A, that is SIDC stands for State Industrial Development Corporation. Question number 62. SIDC was set up under the, your options are option A Cooperative Societies Act, option B Companies Act, option C Industries Act, option D Partnership Act. Here the right answer is option B, that is Companies Act. Question number 63. The financial resource of SIDC consists of, your options are option A paid up capital, option B loans from state government, option C refinance from RBI, and option D is all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 64. SIPCOT stands for, your options are option A Small Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited, option B Small Institutes Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited, option C State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited, and option D is Small Institutes Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited. So right answer is option C, that is State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited. Question number 65. SIPCOT was set up in, your options are option A 1970, option B 1971, option C 1972, option D 1973. So here the right answer is option A, that is 1970. Question number 60. SIPCOT is wholly owned by the, your options are option A Government of Karnataka, option B Government of Andhra Pradesh, option C Government of Kerala, option D Government of Tamil Nadu. So right answer is SIPCOT is wholly owned by the government of Tamil Nadu. Question number 67. SIPCOT is a, your options are option A public limited company, option B private limited company, option C cooperative society, option D partnership firm. Right answer is option D, that is right answer is option A, that is public limited company. Question number 68. SIPCOT's financial assistant is in the form of, your options are option A term loan, option B seed capital scheme, option C underwriting the capital issues, option D all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 69. SIPCOT commenced its activities in, your options are option A January 1972, option B February 1972, option C March 1972, option D April 1972. So here the right answer is option A, that is January 1972. Question number 70. SIPCOT has set up a, your blank space to provide guidance to entrepreneurs. Your options are option A data bank, option B information bank, option C answer bank, option D question bank. Right answer is option A, that is data bank. Question number 71. The business development department of SIPCOT guides entrepreneurs in, your options are option A applying for license, option B approval on collaboration, option C allocation of scarce raw materials, option D all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 72. TIIC stands for, your options are option A Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation Limited, option B Tamil Nadu Institutional Investment Corporation Limited, option C Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Committee Limited, option D Tamil Nadu Institutional Investment Committee Limited. Right answer is option A, that is Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation Limited. Question number 73. TIIC is sponsored by the, your options are option A Government of Karnataka, option B Government of Andhra Pradesh, option C Government of Kerala, option D Government of Tamil Nadu. Right answer is option D, that is Government of Tamil Nadu. 74 question is, blank space is the first state level financial institution in this country. Your option are option A TIIC, option C SFC, option C SIDBI यानी कि SIDBI, option D SIDC. You hear the right answer is option A, that is TIIC. Question number 75. TIIC was started in, your options are option A 1946, option B 1947, answer C option C 1948, option D 1949. So right answer is option D, that is 1949. Question number 37. There are blank space TIIC branches in Tamil Nadu. Your options are option A 15, option B 20, option C 18, option D 17. Right answer is option A, that is 50. Question number 77. TIIC offers assistance to, your options are tiny units, option B small scale units, small C medium scale units, answer D all the above. Right answer is all the above. Question number 78. TIIC will not consider financial assistance when the project code exceed, your options are option A 1 crore, option B 3 crores, option C 5 crores, option D 6 crores. Right answer is option B, that is 3 crores. Question number 79. TIIC does not provide loan for, your options are option A working capital, option B acquisition of land, option C expansion and diversification, option D modernization. Right answer is option A, that is working capital. Question number 80. RCI stands for, options are option A Reinvestment Corporation of India, option B Reinvestment Committee of India, option C Refinance Corporation of India, option D Refinance Committee of India. Right answer is option C, that is Refinance Corporation of India. Question number 81. In backwards area, team loans for expansion of setting up a new units are available at, your options are option A concessional terms, option B differential terms, option C standard terms, option D specific terms. Your answer is option A. Okay, right answer is option A, that is confessional terms. Question number 82. Refinance of commercial banks is granted only for loans ranging between, your options are option A 1 and 5 years, option B 3 and 6 years, option C 3 and 10 years, option D 4 and 9 years. Right answer is option C, that is 3 and 10 years. Question number 83. A commercial banker would prefer a blank space tapped equity ratio over the years as it indicates financial strength of a unit. So right, your options are A declining, option B increasing, option C is stable, option D fluctuating. So right answer is option A, that is declining. Question number 84. Team financing is mainly available for entrepreneurs for the establishment of, your options are option A new industrial unit, option B, acquisition of fixed assets, option C, expansion in plant capacity, option C is all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 85. In case of medium scale unit, TIC normally permits the debt equity ratio of, your options are option A ratio 1:2, option B 2:1, option C 1:3, option D 3:1. So right answer is option B, that is 2:1. Question number 86. In case of small cell units, TIC normally permits the debt equity ratio of, your options are option A 1:2, option B 2:1, option C 1:3, option D 3:1. Here the right answer is option D, that is 3:1. Question number 87. The first step in starting a new business venture is, your options are option A, idea generation, option B, scanning of ideas, option C, preparing a business plan, option D, project implementation. Right answer is option A, that is idea generation. Question number 88. EDP's course contains your options are option A journal introduction to entrepreneurs, option B, motivation training, option C, managerial skill, option D, all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 89. The main function of TIC is, your options are option A, to collect data on consumer items, option B, identification of entrepreneurs, option C, to prepare model schemes, option D, to secure reservation of certain products for the SSIC. Right answer is option B, that is identification of entrepreneurs. Okay. Question number 90. SIDO stands for, your options are State Tribal Industries Development Organization, option B, Service Industries Development Organization, option C, Small Industries Development Organization, option D, Small Institution Development Organization. Right answer is option C, that is Small Industries Development Organization. Question number 91. The main function of SIDO is, your options are option A, to provide SSI with machines on hire purchase basis, your option B, to assist small industries with marketing facilities, option C, to distribute basic raw materials through their depots, option D, to secure reservation of certain products for the SSIC. Right answer is option D, that is to secure reservation of certain products for the SSIC. Question number 92. SISI was established in, your options are option A 1956, option B 1965, option C 1970, option D 1972. So right answer is option A, that is 1956. Question number 93. ISC stands for, your options are option A Indian Industries Center, option B Indian Investment Center, option C Indian Investment Corporation, option D Indian Industries Corporation. Right answer is option B, that is Indian Investment Center. Question number 94. Entrepreneur Guidance Bureau EGVBA set up by, options are SISI, option B SIPCOT, option C IIC, option D SITCO. So here right answer is option C, that is IIC. Question number 95. National Alliance of Youth Entrepreneurs NAI sponsored as Entrepreneurial Development Scheme with Bank of India in, your options are option A January 1920, option B August 1920, option C January 1972, option D August 1972. So right answer is option D, that is August 1972. Question number 96 is TCO stands for, your options are option A Tamil Nadu Consultancy Organization, option B Technical Consultancy Organization, option C Tamil Nadu Counseling Organization, option D Technical Counseling Organization. So right answer is option B, that is TCO stands for Technical Consultancy Organization. Question number 97. Industries producing complete articles for direct consumption and also processing industries is called as, your options are A manufacturing industries, option B feeder industries, option C service industries, option D mining or quarrying. So right answer is option A, that is A manufacturing industries. Question number 98. Blank space can be defined as a specifically involved workplace plane densed to achieve a specific objective within a specific period of time. Your options are option A idea generation, option B opportunity scaling, option C project, option D strategy. So right answer is option C, that is project. Question number 99. Blank space is primarily concerned with the identification, qualification and evaluation of the project resources. Your options are techno-economic analysis, option B feasibility analysis, option C input analysis, option D financial analysis. Right answer is option D, option B, that is feasibility analysis. Question number 100. Large investment is made in fixed assets. The project will be termed as. Your options are option A capital intensive, option B labor intensive, option C product intensive, option D market intensive. So here the right answer is option A, that is capital intensive. Guys, now let's wind up this lecture. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Please press the bell icon. Please share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye. All the best for your examination. Thank you.